here at Miami International Airport. We are on the side of the runway where the planes take off. What you just saw there was a Delta 737. Okay. So we're just gonna go back here. Okay. You can see some planes right there, parked at the gate. We have a LATAM cargo coming out right now. It's gonna take off. Here it comes. There it goes, taking off. Check this out. Beautiful. That's a 767. Okay, mates. What you just saw there was a 767 taking off from Miami International Airport. Beautiful. Okay. You can see the ATC tower right there, air traffic control. Amazing. You can see some planes also parked at the gate. Yeah, so this is great. Right now it's around the morning, like 11 a.m. or something. You can see some train tracks right there. We try to climb up something. Yeah, so I think we're gonna climb up this to get a better view. Give me 1 second. Whoa. Okay, we're up here now. You guys see it better? Yeah, so pretty nice weather out. It's gonna be sunny all day. Oh, it's really hot. Let's try to balance on this thing. Okay. There should be another plane taking off soon, and we're gonna see it. Pretty nice out. You can see the fence right there, the fence, the airport. So this plane spotting is pretty fun, actually. Can you zoom in a bit? I think that's a cargo terminal over there. I think that's a cargo terminal. Look at that. Wait, look at that. Taking off from the other runway. I think that's a 737. I don't know. I don't think you guys can see it that well. Yeah, you guys can't see it that well. I'm sorry about that. Camera quality isn't the best. Yeah. I'm filming on a tablet right now, so I don't know how this is gonna be. Look, there's a plane taking off right now. See the plane? Gears up. I'm put a gear up. That's an A320. Let's check that out. Oh yeah, beautiful. I got no idea what airline that was. If you got any idea what airline that is, let me know in the comments. Yeah. Please let me know in the comments if that's an airline. What airline that is. Guys, quick reminder, make sure to like and subscribe. Helps me out a lot, small creator. It's so hot. Okay. Right now we're waiting for our next plane. Actually, I think this is gonna be it for the video. Make sure to comment what airline you think that was, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.